What's up, YouTube? This is Lady Wrenchhand, and you are watching Physics. Number 1. What is matter? A substance which occupies space and has mass. 2. According to the law of conservation, what can matter not be? Matter cannot be created or destroyed. 3. What is mass? A measure of the quantity of matter in an object. 4. What is the formula for mass? Mass equals weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. Five. What is the acceleration of gravity on Earth? .2 feet per second per second. 6. What is weight defined as? A measure of the pull from gravity acting on the mass of an object. 7. What is the formula for weight? Weight equals mass times gravity. 8. Define attraction. Mutual force acting between particles of matter which tends to draw them together. 9. What is the specific gravity of water? One. 10. What is a hydrometer used for? Measuring the specific gravity of liquids. 11. What is the approximate specific gravity of a discharged battery? (1,150) or 1.15. 12. What is the approximate specific gravity of a charged battery? Between 1,275 and 1,310, or 1.275 and 1.310. 13. What is potential energy defined as? Energy at rest or energy that is stored. 14. What is the formula for force? Force equals mass times acceleration. 15. Define work. When a resistance is overcome by force acting through a measurable distance. (16) What is the formula for work? Work equals force times distance. (17) What are the three types of friction? Starting or static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. (18) What is the formula for power? Power equals force times distance divided by time. (19) How may torque be described? A force acting along a distance, or the rotational equivalent of linear force. 20. What is the formula for torque? Torque equals force times distance. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and check out my website for a copy of the questions from this video.